We'll guide you through how to install apps on a Hisense VIDAA smart TV. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps there's an app you specifically want, or you just wanted to go and browse through what other apps are available. We're going to guide you through this step by step. So what you need to do is you need to come and find the home button, like so, and go and tap there. That's going to bring you to the home. You want to go and tap down until you go and get to this row of options. And then you want to go and start tapping across and keep going until you go and see the option for App Store. As you can see, there it is. You can then press OK on it and it's going to go and open, as you can see. If there's a specific app you want to search for, you can go and press the search in the top right by using the up arrow, or you can just go here, come down, and you can browse for these different apps. And you can tap across, for example, featured. You can then go and tap on the app, and then what you can do is you can go and press OK on install and it will go and be installed. You can go and choose where it's going to go and be in apps, then press OK and it will then go and be added there, and you can click on it and open it.